Kärcher is a worldwide market leader for cleaning technology and innovative cleaning solutions. We are available for our clients in over 70 countries. We are expecting to achieve an increase in efficiency thanks to the AGV project, because then the AGVs and not the forklifts will be transporting the goods, and the AGVs can operate 24/7. The Bühlertal factory in Obersontheim has 14 final assembly lines and is Kärcher's largest manufacturing site worldwide. At Kärcher, 17 AGVs provides goods traffic and manufacturing supply within the company. They move completely autonomously through the factory, thereby connecting the injection molding installations with the final assembly and goods dispatch. The AGVs therefore ensure that the warehouse is fully networked. Thanks to their cantilever forks, they can serve both ground stacking and raised stacking locations. If the assembly section is fully stretched at any one time, surplus injection molding parts are stored temporarily in the buffer warehouse. This warehouse has its own administration, which is linked to the client's warehouse management system. The vehicles perform their work with millimeter precision thanks to sensors and intelligent control. Large molded parts are transported on coated fork prongs straight away. The AGVs normally travel 1.7 meters per second. Of course, they also adapt their speed to curves. We purchased a tuning model from Jungheinrich, which allowed the vehicles to travel up to 2.5 meters per second. This occurs primarily on very long straight sections. The automated trucks are designed for use 24/7 and, with their optimized routeways, achieve high-level, consistent efficiency. They are linked to the client's WMS by the Jungheinrich logistic interface and receive their transport orders in this way. We want to be equipped for the future. Lithium-ion technology is the future. We can also load more flexibly with lithium-ion technology. This means shorter load cycles, longer availability of the vehicles. The AGVs drive autonomously to the battery loading station. The technology is well established in the logistics industry and has been deployed worldwide for decades. Intelligent logistics ensures that enough vehicles are always available for the transport tasks. The automated processes mean it's possible to predict the wear of individual parts very accurately. Parts are replaced before they begin to wear out, thereby maintaining functionality. The support we received was good in every project, particularly one as complex as this. There are naturally problems during the ramp-up. That is completely normal, but the troubleshooting was also good. We worked closely together. In this respect, we would definitely recommend it to others.